the hot water. The hot water. Today's motivational message is titled The Hot Water. There is a saying that the same hot water that softens the yam hardens the egg. The same hot water that softens the yam hardens the egg. I strongly believe you know these points I'm trying to make. You know what an egg is and what a yam is. The same hot water that hardens the what? The egg, softens the what? The yam. Depends on how one takes it. Why do you consider the challenges that why do you always consider the challenges that you go through as you attribute it to witches and witchcraft? The challenges that you go through. Why do you consider the block before you as a stumbling block? Look, when there is a block before you, people can look at it from two different perspectives. One can consider it to be a stumbling block. A stumbling block is something that is preventing other people from that is preventing you from progressing. A stumbling block, a block that is put before you so that you cannot progress. And then we have what you call a stepping stone. So why don't you convert the stumbling block into a stepping stone? I hope you are getting the point. It's an interesting point. Somebody has put a stone before you. That stone, one can label or describe it as a stumbling block. In that case, with that perception, that it means that, or with that notion, that it means one cannot progress. You cannot progress. When there is a block before you, you cannot progress. You cannot move because it is impeding your movement. It is preventing you from moving forward. But if it is a stepping stone, then it is something that you can step on and then jump to progress in life. There are certain people who, instead of looking at it from that perspective, they just blame God. Some people think that God did not help me to achieve higher education and that kind of thing. And they always say that, oh, well, in fact, I have been disappointed because my friends have gone and I am left behind. More especially the students, people who have, you may be writing examination, and after writing the examination, maybe it didn't go well as expected, and your friend has, made it, he is able to move. So you are crying, you are saying that God didn't treat you well because you are what? They have left you. You have not been left. Look, in this world, everybody has his a unique examination question. That's what life examination question. But sometimes we make mistake by trying to copy from other people's answers. Meanwhile, our questions are different from these people. Your question is different from another person. The way God treated somebody make him, he has a different way of treating you also. So why do you always want to go by that way? Now listen, you have sat for examination and you couldn't make it. You know that. Let's look at it from this perspective. You have a friend. The friend got distinctions in chains, but you couldn't make it for one or two reasons. But for one or two reasons, that person who got distinctions is not alive. For one or two reasons, it's not alive. It might have happened that if you had passed once and then moved on, you might have not been alive. Maybe I bet you have a but onyankopon ono no onim meye e be as a result of over enjoyment or over stress would have caused your life. Enuti no was say ono onya distinctions in chains e be bibi nti won tiase ene wa wotiase no de ye won kwa na wade nyina enuti eya me mmanya me sobo woni ma bi ho because nyame osimi ni madwen ko a meji ho enye boni adwene mu se ba mama aden mema awiye pa yesi ensuohia etimi ema bayire ye mrense ensuohia no ano ena makosuhia aso ye den enti se wuhia how be anase bibi if you are confronted with any problem don't jump into conclusion to bo as na hwedin because in the midst of that problem what baby how no na wo so a ye o say how no atomo bi a bibi timi si obrabom ema enu bo ama timi ye den ama wutu anamo a wahuni obeye wetin point na say enu ti memma nyin sa wo de wakachi unkachi kra brabo na nye that competition na kwanya ginyame di say onu yi nipa free obrani o hawmu no onu obeboa enu ti enne ne ye kan say enso hia etimi ma o de say bayire eye mre say enso hia na ma enso kosua so ye den ejina say na obeti papa no so it depends on how you take it. So this evening I'm just telling you that you have to be very you have to note that the hot water that softens the yam hardens the egg. Nti say stumbling block abo bi eda wani manti ama wantimi entu anamo sa ebo no no say a stepping stone na gina sa abo no so na huri na enkunimdie enso be den ebe ye odia be kai o say sesia no sa wo hwe sa video yi a obetumi subscribe to Calendar Man TV. That's the channel. Calendar Man TV now. There are a lot of motivational messages. I waiting me happen. So mathematics, so you better mathematics, so I was various topics. I know better me about. And to teach motivational messages, I have one. I may see the Calendar Man TV. Calendar, CALENDAR. Me repeat it. CALENDAR. Now I just space. Not about TV. Calendar Man TV. Man for dash in Tuntemo. Calendar Man TV. Oh, subscribe to this channel. You are going to get a lot of them. And you better check senior high school. Just mathematics. I want to be me. I want to subscribe. And you can say remove the barrier and fix the bridge. That's what we are talking about. That one we spoke about it. And then we are also saying that the hot water that softens the yam hardens the egg. So take note of that. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.